This is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Noise has launched one more Bluetooth calling smartwatch and it's the ColorFit Ultra Buzz. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you its features. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the picture of the smartwatch and the model name ColorFit Ultra Buzz, and it's a fitness smartwatch. At the back we have the key features, and this smartwatch is available in 3 colors: charcoal black, olive green and the champagne grey. About the features, we get the 1.75-inch display, SpO2 monitoring, 5 days of battery backup, 320 by 385 pixel resolution, heart rate monitoring, calls and SMS quick reply, Bluetooth calling, 100 sports modes, and we get the animated watch face support. The companion app NoiseFit is available for both Android and iOS. The MRP on the box is Rs 5,999. However, the launch price of this watch is Rs 3,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first we have the documentations, and here we have the user guide, a thank you card, and here we have the warranty details, and then we get these noise stickers. Then in the box we have the smartwatch itself, which we will check out in a moment. Apart from that, we get this magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise ColorFit Ultra Buzz is a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, the watch feels lightweight and weighs only 42 grams. The body of the watch is made up of plastic, but still you get a good look and feel. The straps are also of good quality and I find them comfortable on the hand. These are 22mm straps which you can also change with the choice of yours. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.75-inch display. You get this curved design, but as you can see, we have thick bezels at the bottom. At the side we have the function button along with the mic, and on the other side we have the speaker grill. And looking at the back, we have the sensors along with the charging points. So in terms of the design and build quality, the watch feels a little bulky, but due to its plastic body, it's lightweight. And I find the build quality of this smartwatch very good. And keeping in mind the pricing, you're getting a good design and build quality. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, you will need the app NoiseFit, and here just tap on the add device and select the UltraFit Buzz from the list. And that's it, your smartwatch is now paired with your phone. And guys, as soon as you pair the watch with your phone, it will ask you to pair the Ultra calling with your phone, and that will enable the Bluetooth calling. So here we are on the watch face, and looking at the features, long pressing on the watch face will show you the default watch faces. You can also add more watch faces through the app, which I will show you in a moment. Swiping down from the top will show you the notification history, and swiping up will show you the quick settings. And here we have the Bluetooth calling, find phone option, brightness, DND, battery saving mode, and the settings. Swiping left or right on the home screen will show you the quick apps, and here we have the activity status, heart rate, SpO2, music control, and the calling option. To access the main menu, you will need to press the function button, and here we have the menu. And guys, about the touch response, it's good and there is no lag in the menu. Now looking at the menu, so first we have the noise health, and here we have the activity, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And then we have the sleep, and after that we have the heart rate. And guys, the heart rate detection in this watch is fast and quite accurate as well. And then we have the SpO2 monitoring, and after that we have the breathe, which will let you do some breathing exercises. And then we have the stress monitoring, which will show you a score letting you know how stressed you are. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the noise buzz, and it's basically the calling features. And here we have the contacts, which you can add from the app. After that we have the call history and the dial pad, and from here you can make a new call. About the calling performance, we will show you in a moment. Then in the menu we have the clock, and here we have the usual alarm, stopwatch, world clock, and the timer with some preset timers. After that we have the workouts, and here you can see the 100 plus sports modes, and it's good to see that you can access all the sports modes from the watch itself. Then in the menu we have the sports records, and from here you can see the history of your workouts. After that we have the reminders, which you can add from the app. Then in the menu we have the music control, and from here you can control the music on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. Then we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather conditions along with the weather forecast. After that we have the watch faces, stocks, which you can configure through the app. And then we have the flashlight, which is a pretty handy feature. And then finally, we have the settings. In the settings, first we have the brightness settings, vibration strength settings, and then we have the wrist awake, and from here you can enable the raise to wake feature. And talking about it, the response time of the raise to wake is fast and it works very well. Then in the settings we have the menu view, and from here you can select grid or list view. After that we have the usual reboot, reset, and the power off option. So overall the features we get in this watch are pretty good, and you get all the necessary features, and that too very well organized. Now let me quickly show you the app features. So guys, we have showcased the app in our previous videos, so today we will be just covering the main features. So here we are on the home page, and here you can see your fitness data along with the heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and other data. You can also tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. Then in the app we have the watch face page, and here you can see the available watch faces. And guys, as mentioned earlier, you get the animated watch face support in this smartwatch, and also you can create your own custom watch face. And then we have the settings page. In these settings, you can see the connected device, and here you have the contacts. From here you can add the contacts as a favorite in your watch. And then we have the idle alert, and after that we have the auto heart rate monitoring. After that we have the rapid eye movement for better sleep tracking. And then we have the drink water reminder, camera shutter, which lets you click pictures using your smartwatch. And then we have the weather settings, and after that we have the notifications and alerts. And from here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about the notifications, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, as you can see, apart from the accept and reject, we have the silent as well as a quick reply option. And here you can send a text message as a quick reply, and also you can edit these quick replies from the app. And about the calling performance, the mic clarity is good and the speaker is also loud for calling. And we like the audio quality and the performance of this smartwatch. And now let me show you the app alert. So for the normal text messages, you will get the quick reply option. And for WhatsApp, you get the app icon, and you also get the emoji support in this smartwatch. So guys, that's all the feature we have on the smartwatch and in the app. And feature wise, we think that it covers everything which you need from a budget smartwatch. The feature we are missing here I can think of is just the temperature sensor. So overall the Noise ColorFit Ultra Buzz is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Design and build quality wise it's good, and this smartwatch does give you a nice look and feel. The display output is good and you're getting a 1.75-inch larger display, but I noticed that sometimes the viewing angles are not that good, especially outdoors. The touch response is good and the menu is lag free. About the fitness data, I'm yet to test the accuracy, but as of now I can say that the heart rate and the SpO2 data is fairly accurate. The calling feature works pretty good, and the mic and speaker performance is best in this segment. And lastly, I find this smartwatch very comfortable on the hand. Though it's bulky in design, but due to its plastic body, it feels lightweight. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a good looking feature-rich Bluetooth calling smartwatch around 3,500 rupees, then we recommend you to check out this newly launched smartwatch from Noise. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and hands-on review of the Noise ColorFit Ultra Buzz smartwatch.